Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to make weight gain smoothie. So this is basically all we're going to be needing to make this smoothie. So I'm going to be making use of one banana. You can make use of two, so you can just take it morning and evening every day. Take it for 7 days and then you will see a very visible result. And make sure you check your weight before making this smoothie so you can know how, if it's working or not. But definitely it's going to work for you and it's very effective. So first of all, you're going to be needing your milk, and then you're going to be needing water to blend. Then we'll be needing cashew nuts, of course banana, and then we'll be making use of avocado pear, then we'll be making use of honey. So guys, honey is optional. If you don't want to add honey, that's fine, it doesn't really matter. So the most important thing is your banana, avocado pear, cashew nut and milk. Make sure you use a milk that have high fats in it, so that it can work perfectly fine. So first thing we're going to be doing now is to
if you
peel our
want this
banana
remedy
and
to
our
work for you
avocado
very
pear
fast and you want to
and cut
gain
it to
weight
a very
on the
tiny
right
pieces before
places,
blending.
I have 3 tips for you that will help you to achieve that. Number one is you have to sleep very well. Make sure you always have a nice nap. And number two tip is make sure you don't over stress yourself, because sometimes stress always make us to reduce weight. Please make sure you don't over stress yourself. And tip number 3, which is very important, while taking this smoothie guys, make sure you always do like 20 to 30 squats a day and 30 or 20 sit-up a day. That will help you a long way, because I don't want you to gain fat and at the end of the day you will not have big belly. I don't want that to happen. I just want you to gain weight in the right places. This is the same thing I did and it worked for me. I did this, not that somebody told me. This is the same thing I used to gain weight. So guys, as I said earlier on, before you start taking this remedy, make sure you check your weight first, so you will be able to tell if it worked or not. But I'm assuring you, if you can apply these 5 tips that I just mentioned, it's going to work for you very well. So guys, I will love it if you guys can comment down below after you're done taking this smoothie for 7 days. I would like you guys to comment down below and tell me if it works for you or not. I will love you guys. I will love it if you guys can try it out, and I love you guys so very much. I wish you all good luck.
So guys, here is the finishing of the smoothie. Very tasty and nice and effective as well. So I would like you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and stay tuned to watch my next video. And I love you guys so very much. I would like it if you guys can try out this remedy. It's going to work and you are going to enjoy it. Bye, see you in my next video.